Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Mockup PSD and locating the Smart Object layer labeled Placeholder or similar. You'll work inside that object. Next, import your artwork. Use RGB for screen mockups or CMYK for print, keep 300 dpi for crispness, and match the canvas size so scaling is minimal. Once done, disable unnecessary guide layers and rasterize any non-essential elements. Make a quick save as copy. This preserves the original mockup if you need to revert immediately. Double-click the Smart Object thumbnail to open it in a new tab, then paste or place your design as its top layer so alignment is straightforward. Use Free Transform, hold Shift to keep proportions, and apply warp or perspective to match real-world poster edges. This makes the design sit correctly in the scene. After that, apply blend modes like multiply or overlay, add a curves or levels adjustment clip to your artwork, and use masks to blend edges for convincing lighting and texture. When your Smart Object edits are complete, save the Smart Object file so Photoshop updates the main PSD automatically. Then inspect scale, reflections, and shadow placement. Make final adjustments. Tweak layer opacity, add a subtle grain or noise layer for realism, and apply smart sharpening sparingly. If things look off, like misaligned perspective or washed highlights, reopen the Smart Object, correct the transform or warp, and check layer styles. Resetting transforms or toggling blend modes usually fixes common mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.